Okay, so now that we know what tools we want, we know what we want to do for this lighter, I'm going to take it apart and put it back together again, because some people kind of need to know that. So, I don't think there's a screw in there on that one. That one came out, but there's a screw there, and then here. Alright, just pull that up like so. Alright, so you have the inner workings of the lighter. So this piece here, a lot of people have a hard time putting that back in when they do the final repair on the lighter. I'll show you a trick on that. So these are the various pieces inside the lighter. This is the tube. This tube here is where your lighter fluid comes out to the edge there. This right here is where the spark goes to the tip, right here, to light the fluid. This little piece here is important because this gets pushed down by this piece, and then as you can see it hooks in here and it lifts this up to let the fluid out of the tank and out to the lighter head to ignite. So, a couple things. One, let's just take this part off here too. Take it all off. Alright, so take that off and take that off. Now one issue that happens is this piece, because you're depressing this piece down, okay, because this piece is getting depressed down on this and this, what ends up happening is this gets flattened. So what people do is they will bend this up again, get it up a little bit higher, and then when you put it back in, it's opening up this tube for the fluid easier so that when it comes out it ignites. That's one thing that people will do. Another thing I've noticed too is when putting this back together, you see how this tube kind of gets separated from here like this? So what I like to do is when I put it back together, I like to take this here and push it down onto that piece there. I like to push it down on there and kind of get it snug. Then I take this piece, put it back like that, then grab this piece here and kind of fit it over. You don't want to put that in yet. What you want to do is keep that loose, put that on there first, like so, then slip this piece over. Come on. It could be a little difficult at first, but see how it fits in there, and now it's going to push in. Okay? Then you just take and you slip this over like that, and you put all your screws in. But you want to make sure that it's working, which it is.